Welcome to Getting Started with Brisk. The Boise School District purchased a Brisk subscription for the 2026-2027 school year. This is our second year with a Brisk contract and our third year using it as a district.
Before we begin, think about your weekly workflow. What tasks take up the most time? Giving feedback, differentiating resources, or creating instructional materials? Brisk is designed to automate these routine tasks so you can focus on your students. Notice the box in the corner with the Spark. aiEDU provides a Spark the Future course on AI literacy. Boise School District Brisk PD will always infuse AI literacy. Look for these sparks throughout the PD series. Note that this spark reminds us that the humans in the classroom are the focus, not the technology. Brisk is a tool that integrates directly into the platforms you already use, such as Google Docs, Microsoft Office, and YouTube. It meets you right where you work without requiring you to switch tabs or systems. It works seamlessly with our Google tools, library databases, and SBR learning intentions and scales. How does it work? Brisk appears on the side of your screen in your browser, providing support within your existing documents, assignments, and curriculum materials. There are 6 core ways Brisk can help: creating resources, giving feedback, inspecting student writing, changing reading levels, boosting student activity, and providing personalized teaching ideas through the Brisk Next Hub. Note the Spark. The 5P protocol will help you make informed choices when it comes to using AI for or with your classroom. Brisk functions as a browser extension. Simply add it to your Chrome or Edge toolbar to have it pop up automatically whenever you need it. You can also access Brisk through any web browser by visiting app.briskteaching.com. This web portal is excellent for deeper planning and accessing your teaching dashboard. Security is a priority. Brisk is FERPA and COPPA compliant, SOC 2 certified, and ranked highly for privacy. It is built specifically for educational environments to keep your data protected. Note the Spark. As of August 2026, the Boise School District contracted with Brisk to keep yours and your students' data safe. The free programs are typically free because they trade the price for your data. Always read privacy policies before using a digital tool with students. Email support@boiseschools.org if you need help navigating a privacy policy or choosing another tool. Note the Spark. Using your Google login ensures security and access to all of the paid features. To get started, navigate to briskteaching.com. Click Get Started and sign up with your school email. Once you enable permissions, you're ready to go. Finally, make sure to pin the extension to your browser toolbar by clicking the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your screen. Don't see Brisk yet? Choose Manage Extensions and see if it is in your library. Don't see it? Click Web Store on the left and search for Brisk. All teachers have been rostered for Brisk access. Email support@boiseschools.org if you need support. You can pin the extension and keep it on, or only click it when you need it. Adding this extension and pinning it for access ensures Brisk is always just one click away.